Hey y'all, it's Tonia Allen. I am so hot, y'all. Okay, so I live in Texas and it's very, very warm. And all of my other videos, y'all have always seen me with my hair up because it's hot. So I never wear it down. So I wore it down to work today, so I thought when I got home tonight I would record a quick video for Dollar Tree. So I'm so excited y'all are here and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I did buy a little bit of Halloween. I know, but it was there and I got excited, so I bought it. And of course I bought some more fall, Thanksgiving, and stuff like that. So I got these leaves. I got both kinds. I know last year, I think they had both kinds last year. I don't remember. I know that's like the maple leaf and then the regular leaf. So I like both of those. And then I also purchased some of these little cute leaves as well that we can decorate and have fun with. So I'm excited about that. Color your own ornament, but it's not an ornament. And let's see. I did get a cute little candle. It smells, leaves is the name of it, but it's not. I don't know if it really smells like leaves, but you know, whatever. It smells good. That's a plus. I got some ribbon, y'all. Little pumpkins on them, little leaves on them. I thought I grabbed more, but I did not. So I'm probably gonna have to go back and get more because the bows that I make for all of our baskets and our wreaths and our center pieces and vases and all of that. I put bows on almost everything. I love bows, so I got the Thankful, Grateful, Welcome. Oh no, wait a minute. Okay, so that one's Thankful Harvest Welcome and Thankful Harvest Welcome. I thought I had one last year that was Grateful. Oh well, I'll find that one. These are wonderful in so many different crafts. And y'all know what those are. These are not new. They had them last year too. So lovely. I got these. Two of the sunflower because again, I'm not going like all crazy die-hard traditional Thanksgiving colors. I'm going to incorporate other colors. So I really liked these. You can see those. They're so cute, y'all. I mean, and really, they're a good little size for $1. So I would definitely be making some stuff with that. I got a bunch of signs. Excuse me. Oh, see when I move like that, y'all can see that is my craft room and that is a big mess. I can't even do my videos in the craft room because it is so messy. Oh, sorry, I wanted to check something. So I got some signs. I went to a couple different Dollar Trees and almost all of them had the same size. I did see one thing that one of them didn't have that I really liked that I got. But I did get the apple sign and the pumpkin sign. Do lots of different things. And they had that little 10 on the top. A little 10, that right there. So if you don't even want that on there, you can take that off and you can put it on something else. Like maybe after you do something with this one. Then you can take that little 10 and put it on here. There's so many things we can do with this. I'm so excited about these blank canvases. So I picked up some more pumpkin ones. So I've got the pumpkin and the leaves. And of course, I think everybody has seen all of these stickers, but they are so cool. Love, love those. And some more. All those we get to paint whatever color we want, which is really going to work with me since I'm not going to use traditional colors this year. I mean, I am, y'all, but I'm still incorporating other things, other colors. I don't want it just so orange. Last year, I had very traditional, very orange colors. So, and then as I speak of that, look, you can't get much more traditional colors than that, can you? And the truck and everything. So, but I'm probably not going to leave it like this. It is very cute. It is darling, but I'm probably not going to leave it like that. So, I got this sunflower one. As y'all can tell, I do like the sunflowers. I mean, I got these sunflower pots, and I got this sunflower, and I think I got some real, like, sunflower flowers to decorate with too, so we're gonna have lots of sunflowers. But I've always loved sunflowers. I did pick up a couple of more mitts with the sunflowers because in my kitchen, which I'll show y'all one day, it has a pallet wall, and on the pallet wall I hang my pots and pans, and I also hang some of these, so I like to have new ones up to make it look pretty. Now, I have been searching for these for probably 3 weeks ago. I saw somebody do a Dollar Tree haul, and they had these in their Dollar Tree haul. So I have been searching for these for a while, and I still haven't found all the colors, but I finally found some of the pumpkins. Now, I make pumpkins too, y'all, but this for $1, shoot, you can't beat that. Look at that. Adorable. So that's like the white or maybe cream. Oh, is there a difference in those? No. So those are both white. And, oh, I thought the bell. And this champagne kind of color. I mean, that is so cute, y'all. I got two of that. Well, this is a darker brown. Hang on. That's a darker brown. And that, yeah, champagne. So pretty. So, so, so pretty. Very excited to find them. And I did get a couple of orange. They don't really look orange there, though, do they? But I did get a couple of orange. I probably will add something to that to make it not so orange. Not paint or anything. I don't know what else. And I did get a bag. I'm making a cute little trash can. It's kind of silly that we like make trash cans, right? But I'm making one, and it's adorable. And this is going to be on the inside because it's waterproof or water resistant, more so than just mesh. So that's going to go on the inside of that. And I may do something else. I've already done one. It was a $10 challenge on Olivia's Romantic Home, who I love. Everybody knows I love Olivia. But she had a nice little $10 challenge, and I thought that was neat. I had fun making that one. All right, so I've got my hands full is what I have. So my hands are full because I picked up too many at one time. That's what happened. Okay, so I did get some of these, the Gerber Daisies, but I got this color, which is kind of a reddish hot pink color. More reddish, deep wine, maybe? I don't know. I don't think the color is doing it justice there because that looks really like hot pink, don't it? See, it's really not red. So I like that. Then I got those. I love cattails. Y'all should see all the cattails I got. Oh, well, this one is just some pine cones, little pine cones. I didn't buy too many of those, though. And, yeah, that one has a little bit of cotton. I think that other one is supposed to have cotton, but it doesn't have cotton. So I kind of got gypped out. But I am going to do a tutorial on how to make cotton balls. And since I live in Texas, but I'm from South Georgia, I know how to make cotton balls.
Jigaboo.
Or cotton out of balls. How about, I should say growing cotton stems out of cotton balls. That's what I was trying to say. And sunflowers with those little ball things on them. You can always use those. You throw them in anything. And more cattails with feathers. You know, I already have some of these, but I love them. And they're cute, and they go with everything. They add a little bit of that fall color onto the stuff that's not very fall. And I've got these little mini pomegranates, which I adore. I think I'm going to go back and get some more of those. And more feathers. And some sunflowers. Those are kind of orangey looking. But I like them. And with that, kind of together. Ooh, no, don't like that together. And I got this deep red color. What is this? This is a Mom's. See it, a Mom's. Deep red. I like this. And I love these. Look at those. Those are so pretty, y'all. I mean, oh, it's going to look so pretty when we make stuff. Yay! Excited. All right. Oh, I dropped some. Of course I did, because my hands were too tight. So I got some more Mums. I love that color. and hydrangeas and more mums. Y'all, these are so pretty though. Look at that. For $1. I know I keep saying that, but it's just crazy. Okay, so we're gonna turn and go to some Halloween things. Not a lot. Oh, I forgot this little scarecrow. He's like a little beanbag scarecrow. He's cute. He's a little cutesy for me, but I might put him in like a, he is cute, in a wreath or something. It's adorable. Let me get that stem out of that way. Oh, my art room, y'all. Look at that. Anybody could come help me clean that up. Okay, so I got several purple, black, and some orange Halloween. These are great. Y'all know the mesh is awesome for all kinds of crafts. All kinds of crafts. And I got a lot, so plenty of those. I also picked up some black. That's just to help me make my bows. Pipe cleaners or whatever y'all want to call them. What do they call them here? Tinsel stems is what they call them. Tinsel stems. And I picked up some more. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? I am excited about that one, y'all. That is so cute. And then this. Love it. That with the pumpkins. See? Gorgeous. Love this one. This one. I mean, all of these can intertwine, but I love the stripes and the chevron, and then the little pumpkins with the, oh, too cute. Too cute. Very excited. And they had a black ribbon. I don't remember them having black last year, so I was excited to find that. And then I got a couple of more orange mesh. So that is it. That is my haul. Oh, wait. One more thing. I don't know what my favorite is because I like everything. But I think maybe the signs. Oh, the pumpkins. Heck yeah, the pumpkins. I mean, I've only been looking for them for like I said, like 3 weeks. So anyway, y'all, this is why I don't wear my hair down. You see, it's very, very long and very, very hot. So now I'm going to put my hair up and get in my PJs and get comfortable for the night. And I will see y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe. Every time I say that, I mess that up. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, y'all. See you next time. Hi, y'all. One more thing. I did do a tutorial on this, but I don't know if I'm going to have time to actually put it on YouTube. If you want to see this, let me know. But this is a $10 wreath. $10. So 1 for the wreath form, and 2 is this scarf. It's 1, 2, 3. 3, 4 for the leaves, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10. And I thought it turned out very, very cute. I mean, that does not look like a $10 wreath, y'all. I mean, it just doesn't. See how cute it'll look hanging up on that door? Anyway, thanks, y'all. Just wanted to show it to you. Have a great day.